As you anticipate the big event or the performance of your life, to feel fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, according to American books, is instinctive and natural. Whether it is public speaking, or remembering the lines of a play, or singing every note of a song before a large audience, the sheer anxiety may paralyze you. So, if you are looking for ways to manage and handle this FUD, you have come to the right place. In my course, I will give you the practical tips and workable techniques to tackle these and similar situations. Advice that is born of my own experiencing the stress and anxiety, leaning deeply into them, working through them, and indeed using them to achieve excellent performance. I have compiled a list of the techniques that will be covered in my course. Unlike some course trailers or teasers that show but don't tell, I will now briefly touch on the first technique, that of thorough preparation. Both technical preparation and psychological preparation. Many people underestimate the importance of technical preparation. Trial lawyers will tell you that it is preparation, rigorous, comprehensive, and leaving no stone unturned, that will win you your case. You have to invest the hours to master the subject matter that will undergird your performance. Can you imagine the work that a concert pianist has to do beforehand to perform an hour-long piece solely by memory? You will also have to do the rehearsals to increase your mental and physical experience of what the performance will be like. Rehearsals are the mental visits to the future performance. It has been said that the performance or event is always created twice, first mentally, and then actually. In this course, we will talk more about this form of preparation and the related concept of visualization. In the measure that you have prepared yourself, you will increase your confidence in acing the performance. And before you know it, the nagging anxiety has changed into the turbocharge that will propel your performance to excellence. Come and join us in this learning journey that will equip you with the necessary tools that will assist you to cope with performance anxiety. The topics include anticipation, preparation, rehearsals, deliberate visualization, leaning into the fear, and relaxation techniques.